To avoid future payment blocks on your Apple ID, it's essential to follow a few straightforward steps to ensure your account remains in good standing. Here is a simple guide to help you maintain a smooth payment experience. Step 1. Keep payment information updated. Regularly check and update your payment information in your Apple ID settings. Ensure that your credit card or payment method is valid and has not expired. Step 2. Monitor account activity. Frequently review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it immediately to Apple support. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Step 4. Maintain sufficient funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact Apple support. If you encounter any issues or anticipate problems with your payment method, reach out to Apple support for assistance. They can help resolve issues before they lead to payment blocks. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your Apple ID remains active and free from payment blocks. Regular maintenance and vigilance are key to a seamless experience.